How you doing? You doing good? Okay.
Yeah, big 14, know what the fuck going on. Yeah, oh, yeah, and we pulled up.
Yes, you guys, I got this wig cap on. You know what time it is, ladies? You know what time it is? Got the wig cap on. What? I got the wig cap on. Okay, this is a lot better because, yeah. As you see from the title, I'm doing a wig review and try on. This is my first video of like trying on a wig. I usually do wigs. I used to do wigs, like lace wigs, when I was in school. But I feel like I'm still a novice at it. You know what I mean? Like I'm still learning on how to do it, but I have a good process on how to do it. So, yeah, this is gonna be a wig review and try on, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. All the hair will be definitely in the description box for my ladies to see what hair they want for my ladies. Okay, so I bought the hair on Amazon. It's a lace wig. This is the Amazon package. I already took it out because I was excited to get this hair. So this is their hair. This is the hair. It is called Jaja hair. You see this? This is the hair. This is what it comes in. It comes in this little box. Jaja hair, 100% human hair wigs. Okay, okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and I opened the box. So I opened the box, and it comes with the hair. I'm so excited. Inside the box, it has a wig cap, so you ain't gotta go to the store and get one. It already comes with one, okay? Period. That's what we need. That's what we need. And then this is what look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. I could put it in the bun. I could put it in the bun. Let me stop playing. I ain't even took the hair out yet. Let me stop. Okay. And I hope y'all like this spectrum. I can't say the word, but I know what it is. It goes in your nose. That's all I know. But I hope you guys like it. I like it, so you're gonna have to learn to like it or whatever. But yeah, it's fake, by the way. I did not pierce my nose. I'm not scared, okay? It's gonna take me a while to actually do the piercing. So it comes in a net, which is good. And now I'm taking it out. This hair already, you guys, is soft. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is the hair. It's very bouncy and very nice. It doesn't have a smell. You can't really, it don't have that wig smell when you get out the box. Maybe it's just my nose, but I don't even smell anything. So maybe it's his nose ring, okay? But this is the hair, and it comes with this paper. Yeah. And yes, this is the wig, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And so this is the hair. It's a bob. This is where I got all the information on where I got this hair, and the links will be in the description box below, so don't freak out, okay? Alright, so let's go deep inside this wig, okay? This is what it looks like. It has a little, you could do a style. You could do like a little high ponytail style. I'm telling you, you could. Alright, and then it has a back comb for that neck. You see it for the neck. Has two side combs for the sideburns, you dig? And then it has a front comb. Alright, so that's 4 combs each in this wig. And then it has like a little, see, you could put this hair in a little ponytail. I'm not gonna hold you, because it got the little lace in the back, you feel me, that you gotta cut off. So baby girl, if you want to put in a ponytail, go ahead, be my guest. And this is the lace. Y'all, I'm loving it. I'm about to be looking cute. I'm extra. It is what it is. So this is the lace. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on my skin, cause I know my girls out there who do be wearing lace wigs, and you don't like those little the black hair knots, whatever that's in it. So this is how good the color. Yeah. So it's pretty. It's the same color as my skin, so that's good. You feel me? Straps on it, you guys, or whatever you call this thing. It has those, so it can set it for the right size of your head. So I'm gonna just try it on and see how it feels first. Okay. All right. Hold up now. Stop playing with me. Who is this, y'all? Is this still Kadada? Is it still Kadada? I think this is a girl. Is this Jade? I think this, is that you, Jade? Jade. Her name's Jade, you guys. Hold up. Hold up. Feeling like a school mom right now. This wig is just, oh my gosh. I'm loving it. The wig on my head, it fits pretty good, okay? My head is like average, okay, to all the haters. To all the haters who say I got a big head. To all the haters, okay? See, the hairline is pretty natural, I'm not gonna lie. That's my wig cap in the back. But the hairline is pretty natural, but I still gotta pluck it out more because I don't want it to be too full on the hairline. So let me get some scissors to cut the lace. All right, and you just cut that lace part. It don't have to be perfect because in real life your hairline is not perfect, okay, unless you got it sprayed on. Guys do that. Let me stop throwing shade. But yeah, the things that you'll need to pluck your hair out, to pluck the sides out is tweezers. Just some regular old tweezers. You don't. Okay, so I'm finally done plucking the hairline. It took forever, literally took forever. I think it took me like 30 minutes to do, or like an hour if you want to be real. So this is the wig, this is the hairline. You can tell I tried. So now we're gonna put the wig on. And yeah, and you're done. So this is the end of the video. Don't want your wig right here, sis. Don't do that to yourself, okay? Don't do that to yourself. You're gonna look like you got a hat on your head. Here, this is where my wig is gonna be placed, about right there. you're gonna put your lace back. Get like a comb or something to like open it up and roll it out, so like the lace won't be rolled up under with the glue, because that's not how you want it. Okay, so that's pretty tacked down. Now we're about to do the other side. Make sure it's diagonal from your nose, okay? What I did basically was put the ghost bond one side of my head, and then I did the other side of my head, and then lastly I did the edges, because those don't like to stay down when you first do it all. So I did the edges, and now it's completely laid down. Now the last step I'm going to do is do my edges. Alright, you guys, this is the final freaking edges that I finally finished. I used Gorilla Snot and Got To Be Glue. There's literally so much hair on my legs, it ain't even funny. Finally done with the wig. Finally. This is, at the end, it takes a lot of work, okay, you guys? It's going to take a lot of work. You're not going to want to continue doing it, but I say just keep going, okay? I hope you guys like this video. This was a long process for me behind the scenes. This was a lot to do on this wig, because it's really my first time. Like I said, I'm still beginning to get into doing good wigs and doing hair like that. So I appreciate you guys for watching this. If you like this wig now, sis, I'm telling you, get at it, because it's cute. But it's a little short bob. I believe it's 12 inches. I didn't say the inches. It's 12-inch wig, and it's very soft and pretty and straight. I probably will go through a straight iron to fix the little bump, because it's probably from being in the bag, but it's all good. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notifications bell. Thank you for watching. Call me Jade. Bye.
Yeah. Hey, let's get it. Hold on. Let's get it.